Okay, peace in. Let's begin. This is for Ijeoma. Um, I saw the patterns that you had, and so here I'm just going to quickly show you something. See how I just grab shapes from here? All these shapes right here. Okay, let's say I want to make a pattern. Let's say so you see how I'm just moving all these things around? These are sliders, and they go in different dimensions. Okay, so here's one of the things. You look on this and you turn it, right? Okay, I'm gonna hit backwards. See how I'm hitting backwards here? Let's say I go to this turn thing and I type in 30 and then I press enter. See how it did that? So now I'm gonna hit Control D. Okay, hit Control D. And then once I hit Control D once and I don't touch any keys, I've hit Control D again. It just keeps on repeating what I did with the Control D. So check this out. I'm gonna group these. See this thing right here? This is the grouper. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit. Now that I grouped all four of these bars, I'm gonna hit Control D again. I'm gonna use the directional arrow keys. Okay. Then see this thing? This is my mirror tool. So watch this. I'm gonna hit this direction. Let's see. Let's do that again. Let's reverse that. No. Okay. I'm just trying to make any pattern. Okay. Now, to group something, you left click and then you drag it over all your shapes. Then you go to this grouper thing again, and there's your pattern. Okay. So let's say I sort of vaguely want to make the shape of a vegetable or fruit like I saw that you had in your design. Let's just grow that. Let's shrink this down from this side. See this? Let's put it down at 3 millimeters. Okay, so let's save this by making a duplicate over here. Control D, and I move it out here. Now watch, Control D, hit Control D, boom, once. However the distance you make here is what's gonna repeat when you hit Control D again. So boom, I hit Control D again, I hit Control D again, hit Control D again. Okay, now check this out. I'm gonna make these into holes. See that? It says hole right there. Anything you hit with the cursor, it gets selected. Okay, so I'm gonna make holes out of all of these. Okay, now watch. I'm gonna hit the shape, the large shape. I'm gonna hit Control D. I'm gonna save this out to the side. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this. Remember, right click. I'm gonna grab all of these. I'm gonna group them. See, once I group it, they turned into holes. The holes grouped into the whole shape. So let's say let's make this yellow, or let's make this green. Okay, if I leave that like that, that'll flash for a graphic effect. But what I'm gonna do is drop it down another millimeter to 2. And there, I have a pattern, okay? So that is basically what you're gonna be doing all day long. You're just gonna have to practice with shapes, hit the Control D. Remember, anytime you choose something and select it, you can change the color. You don't like the color, go back here to back. And remember, you can turn anything into a hole when you select it, but just by hitting hole. Okay? Watch, I grouped that. Boom, there's a hole. Oh, anytime you click something, when you group something and it all turns one color, go to multicolor, and then the colors come back. Okay. Say like I don't like that. I just go back here to the back button. Just keep on clicking back. Okay. I hope that's helpful. Peace out. See you next time.